to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I am Amanda Omut, a YouTuber based in precisely in the Cameroon here in the Delta State of Nigeria. Alright, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're new, you're watching, you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Now, on this channel, what we do basically is cooking. Okay, so we do lots of cooking on this channel. I just got one video and it's going to be about the second one and hopefully more videos to come. So today's video I'll be cooking stew, our Nigerian stew. What are the things we use to cook there? Let me quickly show you the things that we use to cook Nigerians. Are the things that I'll be using. I already have a sliced tomato. I had to slice it because my blender is not so strong. Sliced tomato, fresh pepper. What's my fresh pepper now? Okay, I've got the fresh peppers on. I just washed these things, okay? I washed them, about to be taken for blending. Okay, so fresh pepper and then onion. Okay, so I'll just show you the process of how I go about doing it. So these are the already washed tomato, fresh pepper, onion. Some people use tatashi and love other things, but I'm not going to be using that today. Alright, so I'll show you the blended tomato and how I prepare my stew. See you later. Meat as well, beef. That's what some people call it, beef meat. Okay, these are what I'll be using as well for the stew preparation. Okay, catch you guys in the process of proper cooking. So guys, this is my blended tomato. Alright, I just blended. I'll just be cooking the stew. I just wash me and see how it goes. So you remember the tomato and pepper and onion I showed you? When it's blended, this is how it turns out. Okay, this is how it turns out. This is how it turns out. Okay, so this is the blended tomato. Just watch me and see. Just watch me and see how I go ahead. What I'll be using for my stew. Okay, it's already. I washed the pot, so I have to make it dry, and then I'll just add oil into it. Alright guys, so I'll just add my oil into it. I don't use a lot of palm oil. I think I'd rather do palm oil and oil. That's ghee oil. So if you are learning how to prepare stew, yeah, this is a perfect opportunity for you to learn how to prepare stew. Okay, how to prepare stew. So like I said, I use palm oil. We don't do lots of oil, so I'll just add a little bit of palm oil. If you watched my video before, the one where I cooked ogbono soup, this is the palm oil that I used to cook the ogbono soup. So I just let it, let it do its work for a while. Bleach, more like bleaching. Not for so long, my hair is not good. I just let it bleach for a little while. So I just added my palm oil to it. Palm oil that I used in preparing my ogbono soup. I'll just let it bleach for a while, and then I'll come put in sliced onion, and then pour in my tomato. I don't fry my beef meat, okay? And then I'll just show you guys how it goes from there. Sorry, I thought I was showing you how I pour it. So what I have in there is my what's it called? Ghee oil, palm oil, and my blended tomato. It's gonna steam for a while. Yeah, it's gonna steam for a while, and then just some people steam their tomato, like I said. Others add. I'm amongst those people who just add my tomato. If I have the time, I can steam. But otherwise, I'll just add my oil or palm oil, and then allow to boil for some time. Add my ingredients: my curry, my thyme, my red pepper. What's it called? Peppers, other peppers if I want to, and then my beef and whatever it is I'm using to do it. So let me just pause, let it boil, and come back and show you what's I go. I'll come back and show you guys. So this is the end product of my stew. Okay, this is how my stew turned out. I'll just show you. Stick already. I'm gonna switch them. So this is the stew, the beef, and the stew. So making stew is really so easy. Some people just use groundnut oil, like I said, but I prefer using groundnut oil and palm oil. Alright, so this is it's simple to make. You eat this with rice, yam, plantain, any sweet thing. That's what you use it to eat. Alright, I hope you learned a thing or two. You enjoyed watching. Okay, so see you. Thank you so much for watching how I prepare my Nigerian stew. Okay, use tomato, pepper. I'm sure you saw the clip of all the things that I used. I might just put in the description box the things that I used. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching, you enjoyed my video on how I prepared the Nigerian stew, please like it as a thumbs up, share, click on the notification bell. Whenever I upload any video on my cooking channel, you'll be the first to know. And I also have a channel, Mandy and Family. I do vlogs, Christian lifestyle stories, things generally that motivate you, inspire you. All these are the things that I do. The hustle is real, guys. So please help me subscribe to my channel until I come your way again next time with another bumper, meal that I prepare, keeping you stay blessed. Remember this, God loves you and so do I. Ciao. Bye. Bye.